Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Another short video for motorway driving. Just sliding onto the A2, going through round hill tunnels. Folkestone is at the other end. I love going through a tunnel. What do you need to do when you go in a tunnel? Headlights on. Sometimes the auto headlights will come on, and that's fine. I drive a Volvo, they're on all the time. So we're going to do a little journey between what junction is this? 13? We're going to go up to 11A and come off there. Not 11A, junction 11. 13, 12, 11. Yeah, 3 junctions on the M20. Hazard perception for a motorway driving. We're still on the A2. We're just jumping onto the M20 now. Or was that the A20? Who knows? I can't remember. That was the A20. We're now on the M2. Motorway rules apply. Minimum speed 50 miles an hour, maximum speed 70. Do not sit in lanes 2 and or 3. Always stay in lane 1 and only overtake and return. That's the rule of the road. And the hazard perception is all the other vehicles. There'll be no pedestrians. So the car's slowing down in front of me. I've got a car coming up to my right. I'm doing 65. They're doing 70, I would imagine. Anything can change. Let's indicate out. Check the blind spot. Up to 70. Everything can change in seconds. Someone could lose control, a burst tyre. Every vehicle you pass, it's not a hazard, but you have to be aware of it. We've got some kind of incident on the left here, traffic officer on a highway maintenance doing some work. Now on this stretch, it becomes 3-lane. So I need to consider moving into the left-hand lane. But it's originally a slip road, which then just stays as lane 3, lane 1. To get up to 70, so I shall indicate out. Plenty of space, no cars behind me that I can speak of. Clear to move back in, let's indicate in. Two miles to the next junction. So that van ahead could have pulled in. He's sitting in the middle lane. I know he's going to pass the silver car, but not quite yet. So, I don't know, is that a bookable offence now? You get tickets for riding a middle lane? I believe you can. Stuck at 70. It's all good. There's no need to get bored driving on a motorway. There's so much going on with other traffic road users. Car overtaking me. Just want to always be watching to see what's going on. Not a lot happening ahead. Nothing near me. It's good. Right, we want the next junction, so it's a question of, do I overtake the silver car, but then I would be too close to the junction, and it's only half a mile away, so I'm just going to sit here and slide off the motorway. Lots of people speeding. Name and shame. Right, we're coming up to the 300-yard marker. I will indicate off at around 200 yard, which is now. Let's everyone know behind me what I'm doing. How about that? A really short 5-minute motorway segment of Drive with Care. M20, quite a pleasant motorway actually, till you get to the Operation Brock section after Ashford. Right, I want to come off left here, nothing at all behind me. So the only hazard is there anything coming to the right? I cannot assume that I can go straight across. And there is something coming from my right. 2 vehicles. 3 vehicles. So many vehicles. Clear after this one. Indicators are still on. They popped off, but I popped them back on. We're going to take the first exit here. Indicate off. Always checking that it's clear for me to enter the junction. And that is it. Another short motorway drive. Did you see anything I didn't see? Drop me a comment below. And if there's anywhere you think you'd like me to drive, especially if you're considering coming over here from abroad and you've not driven on UK roads, you know, I could show you a few things. In the meantime, thanks for watching and bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.